Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about pronouns and their kinds. So let's start our lesson. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun which has already been mentioned or is already known. Pro means for, so the word pronoun means a word used for a noun. Example, Monica is a brilliant girl. She is the favorite of all the teachers. All of them admire her. Here she is pronoun. Antecedent. The noun which a pronoun stands for is called its antecedent. Kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, possessive pronoun, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and relative pronoun. Personal pronoun. A pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. There are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. First person, the person is speaking; second person, the person is spoken to; and the third person, the person is spoken about. The pronoun must agree with its antecedent in its number and gender. Person or persons is speaking as I and we. Person or persons is spoken to as you. Person or persons is spoken of as he, she, and they. So, there are three types of personal pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. Use of pronoun it. The personal pronoun it is used to refer to an animal, a thing, or a child. Like the fox is a wild animal, it is very cunning. It is often used as an empty or meaningless subject with expressions that refer to time, weather, temperature, or distance. It is 10 o'clock. It rained heavily last evening. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns that point out something. Like that is an apple tree, these are mango tree, those are apple trees. Here this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns because they are used to point out, that is, demonstrate the object or objects for which they are used. This and these refer to things near at hand. That and those refer to things lying at a distance. So, they are therefore demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are those pronouns that are used for asking a question. For example, what is your plan? Which is the mail train? Here, the pronoun who, what, which, whom, whose are used for asking questions. They are therefore interrogative pronouns. Remember, who, whom, and whose are used for asking questions about person or persons. What is used for asking questions about thing or things, and which is used for asking a questions about a particular person, thing, or animal. When these interrogative words are placed before nouns, they work as adjective and are called interrogative adjective. For example, what plan did you follow? Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns that refer back to the subject. For example, I blame myself for my failure. She is very fond of herself. They hurt themselves while unloading the goods. Please do yourself. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, itself in these sentences behave like objects of the verbs, but they refer to the same persons as the subjects of the verbs. Therefore, These are reflexive pronouns. Emphasizing pronouns. Emphasizing pronoun used to convey emphasis is called an emphasizing pronoun. That are used for putting emphasis on the subject. Example: I myself locked the door. You yourself asked for money. They themselves are guilty for the lapse. She herself came to me asking for his address. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, themselves, itself in these sentences are used with a noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. So, they are therefore emphatic pronouns. Indefinite pronoun. Pronouns which refer to persons or things in general and do not point out to anyone or anything in particular are called indefinite pronouns. Many of them got late and missed the train. Anybody can come and sit in the park. All, some, few, one, many, nobody, anything, something, someone, each, every, all, several, one, either, anybody, no one, nobody, nothing, etc. are examples of indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are those pronouns that refer to persons or things taken as a single or in groups. It is always singular and is followed by a singular verb. For example, they took neither offer. Both are talking on the same line. Then both, all, every, each, either, neither, half, whole are considered as distributive, though they are not really pronouns. Possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possessions is called possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs are possessive pronouns because they indicate possession or relationship. Example: this pen is mine. Possessive pronouns are sometimes confused with possessive adjectives. However, a possessive adjective comes before a noun and qualifies it, and a possessive pronoun comes after the noun. Here is a chart of possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Here the chart of personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are those pronouns that refer to the nouns or pronouns mentioned before. These pronouns join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them. Example: where is the man who gave you this news? The word who join two sentences and are used for the nouns man respectively, which are used before them in sentences. So, this is relative pronoun. The noun to which relative pronoun refers or relate is called its antecedent. Here home assignment is given. That's all for today. In our next video we will discuss about our next topic. Thank you.